Hello and welcome back to our final maths lesson of the week. We've done it, well done, Friday's maths lesson. So if you think you can remember yesterday's number of the day, have a guess now what you think today's number of the day is going to be. Okay, I can hear lots of you saying this number, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if you're right. Okay, so we know yesterday's number was 3, so we know today's number is 1 more than 3. We also know today's number is 1 less than 5. Lots of you said 4. It is 4. Good job, everybody. Okay, so get those magic pencils out for me. And we're going to start here. We're going to go down, across, pencil off, and down. Okay, let's do that again. So we go down, across, pencil off, and down. As always, do it on the ceiling, do it on the floor, do it on your knee, do it to the door, and do it on your forehead just for fun. Oh, I do like that one. What do we have in here today? It is Numicon again. So with our trusty little friend, the old hungry caterpillar, can you count it with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. So that is the amount of 4 and this is the numeral 4. Okay, let's get on with today's lesson. There's some things I found in my house, so I'd like you to pause the video when you see what I found on my kitchen table, and I'd like you to have a chat with somebody at home. How many groups of 4 can you see? Can you see any amounts of 4, and can you see any number 4s? Okay, so here we go. Fantastic. I can hear lots of really good discussion from today. So lots of you noticed there's the number 4. We have got the amount of 4. Of course, Miss McHale's house, lots of glitter. So just like our Numicon, that looks like the green Numicon. And well spotted, lots of you saw we had 4 keys. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, that one was hiding a little bit. Well done, everybody. Just as we did yesterday, we're really focusing on counting accurately up to 20. So we're going to get our maths brains warmed up. We're going to start at 1, but today's lesson is really going to be focusing on these numbers from 11 to 20. So let's do this together. We'll do it slowly, then we'll get a bit faster. Then we're going to cover up these numbers, but just like I said yesterday, if some of us are still finding 1 to 10 tricky, I'd really like you to work on that over the next couple of days. So make sure you can see a number line somewhere at home and just keep practicing those numbers from 1 to 10, okay? But today's focus will be the numbers from 11 to 20. Okay, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Little bit faster this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Brilliant. Just like we did yesterday, we're going to cover these up. We know they're still there, but we're going to be focusing on the bigger numbers today. Okay, off we go, starting from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Little bit faster now. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Fantastic job, everybody. Well done. Now, if you have a little look above me here, have you seen I've been hard at work? Well, actually, it's the work that you helped me from yesterday. Do you remember with all of my Numicon, when I didn't have them in the right order, and you helped me sort them with my number cards and my Numicon. You did such a good job. You really helped me. So then, after our lesson yesterday, I made this number line above so that we can see all of the numicon, what it looks like from these numbers, okay? So now what I want you to do, we're not going to look at this number line, we're going to use the numicon above us. So find the number 11, that's it, all the way over there, and we're going to count using my snazzy numicon number line. Are you ready? Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Brilliant. Let's do it again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Brilliant work, everybody. Thank you for your help with that. Now, we've been working really hard on these numbers matching the numeral to the amount, really using our numicon to help us. Now, I'd like to tell you a little bit of a story now, because you've guessed it, me and the hungry caterpillar. Well, the hungry caterpillar, he was desperate to come on a walk with me and Penny, so off we went. We went into the garden and we saw some bumblebees. I know, even though it's January and it's really cold, we did see some bumblebees. So the hungry caterpillar, he came back and he asked me something. Of course we can learn about some bumblebees, hungry caterpillar. Well, yes, I do have a book about bumblebees. Would you like to read it with me? Okay, so we looked at some information on bumblebees, and I'll show you what we found. My first book of garden wildlife, and in it we managed to find the page about bumblebees. So this is what I read to the hungry caterpillar. The spring sunshine has woken up a bumblebee. It had been fast asleep under some leaves since autumn. Now it is visiting flowers to sip their sweet nectar. Those yellow lumps on its furry legs, can you see there, the yellow lumps on the furry legs? They are pollen. This comes from inside the flower. The bumblebee carries pollen from one flower to the next. It helps new flowers to grow. Oh, isn't it just a beautiful bumblebee? See, that hungry caterpillar, he loves learning new things. So, after we had learnt about the bumblebees, we then realised that our maths task for today, I mean, what a coincidence, is also about bumblebees. So, I'm going to explain to you how to do our work on bumblebees today. Okay, so firstly, I would like you to write the date. Okay, let me just go in a little bit closer. So, the date today is, capital letter, Friday. Good job, everybody. So it is Friday, the 8th of January. Okay, so Friday the 8th of January. You can pause the video now to write it or get an adult to write it for you. Okay, great work, everybody. Now, we are going to focus on this box here first, okay? So, what we're going to do, we are going to count the flowers and we're going to write down the number of flowers that is in this box. We then have to find the matching bee, okay? But I'm going to ask you to do something first. So as we've been learning about our numicons, you've got the numicon above you on the number line, and here is a piece of numicon here. When you find your first 10, I would like you to draw around it, so I'm going to show you. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is your first lot of 10. I would like you to draw around those flowers, and you will see how when you do that, it really looks a lot like the 10 numicon, okay? And just as we did yesterday, we'll carry on counting. So we don't need to count those again. We know it's 10, so 10 in your head, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I'm going to write that down here so I don't forget that I've done all that hard work of counting. I then have to see where is the number 15, which B has the number 15, and there it is. And they've already helped you with this one. So you go over it there, okay? So using the same trick with this one, we're going to count around 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my 10. Okay, I don't need to count it again. Put 10 in your head. The next one will be 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now if you look at the number 20, which is just there, that's 2 lots of 10s. So for that one, I'm going to do another drawing around the 10 because that helps me really picture the numicon in my head. I'm then looking for the number 20 on the B. Not that one. No. Oh, there it is. So I'm going to do my little squiggly line. There we go, joining up the number 20 to my amount of 20. Okay, moving on to this one, counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Draw around that. Okay, 10 in your head. Next one, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, I'm going to use the number line in front of me. There is my number 18 there. Okay, so I've reminded myself it's a 1 and an 8. So let's see, where is my 1 and 8 to make 18? There he is, that little bumblebee over there. I'm going to join him up. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to leave you to do the last 3 boxes by yourselves, but I'm going to point out this box here, okay, because this is different to the other boxes. All right, so I am going to show you this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is actually my group of 10 there, and you'll notice it doesn't look like my 10 numicon, okay? And that's okay, you know, sometimes things will be put in groups that look different to numicon, and that's absolutely fine. So putting 10 in your head, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm going to write 16 there so I don't forget it. I need to find the number 16 and join him up with that number 16. Okay everybody, really good work today. I can't wait to see all of the work that you've done from today, helping those little bumblebees match up to the flowers that they're meant to be going to. So you can pause it and leave it on our numicon number line to help you. And as always, any questions or any issues, email it in to us. We'll be happy to help. Also, little reminder, if you can, please send me in pictures of the number of the day, okay? So on Monday, this is going to be our number of the day, and I would love to see some pictures of things that you have found. That would really, really help me. Okay, have a lovely day. See you on Monday. Bye.